Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a tutorial on this look right here. It's my go-to travel makeup routine. Basically, it's just a bronzy eye, glowy skin, more put together, makes you look more awake for pictures when you're traveling and sightseeing and doing all that fun stuff. And it's really easy to complete this look in a hostel bathroom or on your bed, or if you don't have a lot of space or time or light. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit subscribe down below. It will mean a lot to me, but let's get right into it. My skin right now is just moisturized, and I did my skincare routine. I have super bad dark circles right now and I'm breaking out because I haven't been treating my body that well. So I'm gonna go in with this color by MAC, which I actually it was already broken, but I dropped it and got eyeshadow everywhere. If you can tell, this is my first makeup video. This is it. It's just like, I'm almost out of it also, but it's like a shimmery gold color, but it goes super well all over your lid, even in your crease, and you can use it for a highlight or other things also. So it looks like that. And just kind of gives you some color and brightens up your eye. And then I'll take like this color and this one. Whoops, can you see this one and this one? And just go in on my crease. And literally, like with two colors, it just brightens up your eye and makes you look less tired. And like that. And then I have another brush right here, which is also double-ended. I love this brush, I've had it for years. But this is like a angled end, and then I have eyeshadow in my finger, in my nail. And then this one's more fluffy. And then I'm gonna take this brown color right here and go underneath my eyelid a bit. And then I take the same color and just put a tiny bit on my outer crease for a little bit more depth. Not depth. Like so. So I'm done with my eyeshadow for the most part. I'll go back in with a highlight for the tear duct area. But literally, you can just use this palette. You don't even need the other one if you have a neutral palette with like a gold, or you can use one of these like shimmery colors. I do that a lot too. And then I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. This is just a felt tip eyeliner. It's like Sephora brand. Like so. A lot of concentration there. So yeah, eyeliner is on. And next up, I usually do concealer under my eyes, just because I don't want my mascara to mess it up. Sorry if I keep looking at the screen instead of here. So this concealer is Sephora's concealer. It's really comparable to NARS Creamy Concealer, I think. And I love this. I used this for years, and it's super portable and like nice to carry. And then I was like, oh, let me try something a little bit better. So I got this Too Faced Conceal Contour Highlight Retouch thing, and I went back to this. Like, I love this, but it's more full coverage and it's kind of drying. But this is like perfect, it's buildable, and it's super easy to travel with because it's so small. So I'm gonna put this on underneath my eyes. And then I'm just taking a little fluffy brush, which I use like for all over my face, to blend it out. I also use a beauty blender a lot, but I don't have that here with me right now, so this will do fine. Make sure it's all blended. And so when I'm traveling, I like to have like makeup on for pictures and everything, but I hate having a like super full caked on face all day, especially when I'm going sightseeing and everything. So this is kind of weird, but I've been doing it for years. So you can get little samples of foundation, like, and sometimes they give it to you in little things like this or other like containers. But this container, I'm dropping everything today. This container, I got it from Ulta, and I've just been refilling it with my own foundation for when I travel because I don't use that much foundation. So I'm able to put some in here and carry it around, and it literally lasts me like months because I use the tiniest bit. So I just poured some on this brush. I'm just gonna like do little spots like, and just blend it into like wherever else you might need it. But even when I'm like going out and I do like a full face of makeup, I use whatever's in here in that little container, and it literally lasts me like months. So this foundation is Estee Lauder Double Wear, and it is my favorite foundation ever. So if you are looking for a foundation, it is amazing. So after that, I covered it up. If it needs extra coverage, I might put some more concealer over it later. And now I will do my eyebrows. So I love my Anastasia eyebrow duo, which I would usually use with like this spoolie and angled brush like this. But that broke, as did all of my makeup. So I like carrying things that don't break as much. So this is really good because it won't break when you travel, and it has like the spoolie attached, and then it has this little, I used to not like these eyebrow pencils, but this one's working out for me, so I'm just gonna fill in my brows a little bit. Like so. Maybe I'll brush them out to blend it. Eyebrows are done. So my skin is kind of dry, so I don't set my concealer that often, but if I did, I would use like a translucent powder, which I don't have here with me, but it's like a Becca, and it's by Becca, and it's super small. Now I have another like bronzer blush duo type of thing by Too Faced, and I think this is travel size. Almost all my stuff is travel size because I don't wear that much makeup, so that lasts me years, and I'm able to go where I need to go with it. So I'm just using this little brush, which is like a contour brush, I guess, and I just blend it onto my cheek, like in that area. I love this because it can contour and like add a bit of glow, like all at the same time. A little bit on my nose to contour it. And then I'm going to use my also travel size Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop, and this bronzer is in Natural Bronze Sun Bunny bronzer by Too Faced. And of course this one is also broken. It's been broken for a while, but I don't want to throw it away because I barely use highlighter, or I barely wear makeup, so that's like throwing away half of the thing. So I'm gonna mirror on this and pop it right here on my cheekbones using the same brush. And this just adds like a really nice glow. And if you're taking a lot of pictures when you're out traveling, like this looks beautiful. I love it. And then I always put a tiny bit on the tip of my nose and here. And it gives like a super like contoured like button nose type of thing. I love it. And then it's my pinky in my tear duct like so. And then finally, mascara. So this is just a Sephora mascara, length and volume. Any mascara that you like. So I'll use this on my top and bottom lashes. And just like that. So this is also, I would usually use neutral lip color, like a little bit of a rosy lip color. But this is basically like my everyday natural glowy travel makeup routine. I've done this in hostels hundreds of times, thousands of times, I don't know. And then I also, like, if I'm going to a hotel or just traveling at all, like I love to do this makeup look because it's simple, it's neutral, it goes with everything, but it's still very like glowy and looks like you put some effort into it. And all of these items literally can fit in this bag. I'm gonna be filming another video right now, what's in my makeup travel bag, and yeah, I'm going to show you all these items and explain why I chose them, and also different alternatives if you would prefer to use those. But thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my other video. I'll put the link in the bio in the description, and I'll have a link to all of these products also, except for this eyebrow pencil because the name rubbed off. But I have another one, so I'll put the link to that. But thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. It means a lot to me. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos coming up, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.